Okay guys, well, don't believe that 10-year warranty thing. Inverter direct drive maybe has a warranty on it, but this doesn't. The electronics don't. This is a LG direct drive inverter with all these buttons that are not actual buttons, just a touch panel. Okay, well, the problem then is that those are the buttons, and the inside of the panel has really bad light, but has these little foam buttons, and you can see they get crunched. This is like less than 2 years old, okay? And this one is already out of there. So there is a button in there, and if you touch it, it starts up, and then if I touch in there on it, well, it's not working now. So the repairman was out here and he gave up, and what I've found out is it's just not the little piece of foam, the little piece of foam that's mashed that's the problem. It's a little piece of foam that is wrapped in what I think is called a piezoelectric or piezoelectric fabric, and that fabric has to contact with those pieces, which are really the buttons on the front. So here's what we're doing. We unwrapped the piezoelectric fabric off of that one and putting a new firmer foam inside of it over here, and I've got it right there, and I'm using a little bit of shoe glue to put that piezoelectric foam or fabric on top of that foam, and then when that's dry and firm, I'm going to replace it back into this one, hopefully, and hopefully it works. See, you can just touch it with your finger and it works. Just barely touch that and you can turn it off. So I know that the board is good. I know everything is good. It's just that these little switches are screwed up, and they're really, really bad engineering. It's what they are. So anyway, anybody out there with the LG like this, don't buy the board. Just take it apart. It just snaps out of there, and oh my gosh, you can tear those little snaps up pretty bad trying to get that thing apart, but do it anyway. And there you go. There you have it. The LG brand new piece of crap. Same thing gonna happen over here, I'm sure. Those are the buttons on the outside that have that piezoelectric little foam switch inside. You know what? I bet it all does. But oh my gosh, it does. Yeah, I think it does. That's all of it right there. All of it is like that. Yep. Every bit of it is like that. So my suggestion is, don't buy this one. Do not buy the LG. Do not buy the LG dryer, sensor dry, whatever, this one. I mean, nice machine when it works, but 3 weeks this thing's been down with the repairman, back and forth probably 6 times. trying to figure it out. And he left tonight with a check for what he's done already, and it's left to me to figure out. He didn't even understand the piezoelectric switches. So I had to figure that out when I was down here tonight. So anyway, I maybe make an update later, but that's it. Thanks. Okay, well, here it is, all tidy up, all done. The LG direct drive, Energy Star, Motion, Smart Diagnosis, blah blah, all this stuff with these piezoelectric switches. This one, I actually added a little bit of shoe glue to the sides of the foam so it would not compress quite as much. That's all I did on that one. So the foam will not compress as much, and it's easily worked. This one, I replaced the foam entirely, but I had to peel the little piece of piezoelectric fabric off of the old one and wrap it on the new one and glue it on with shoe glue. And then I just put it in position. I didn't glue it to the other button or anything like that. I just put it in position and then snapped the board into the back of this. So it's just held in there by pressure. So, works. These are weird. They don't seem to turn as much as you turn them anyway. That's a weird thing. And then this one, ba-boom, you heard it click, I guess. And there it goes. So off again. And that is done. So you will have that problem one of these days, and you will now be able to know what to do. Thanks for watching. Follow or look at my other videos. I am a Will Ferrell impersonator, and you won't believe what you see. It's pretty fucking awesome.